Trusting your instincts. I just thought of something after I recorded the trust your instincts thing a second ago. Why is it that so many great actors, they can just cold read something and it's like, whoa, it's really good right off the bat. Cold reading, not even thinking about it. Whoa, that's a key word, not even thinking about it. Okay, here's the story. I had the pleasure of working with an amazing actor by the name of Tom Wilkinson, British actor. I've actually worked with him twice. And the first time I met with him, everyone said he will not read, it's offer only, don't even try to ask him to read, it's offer only, blah, 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 blah. So I met him, I was in London and I met him and I said, I know that you're not supposed to read and all that stuff, but would you mind please just reading this for me? I mean, it's the cold lead in a movie and I just need to know that it's right for you and you're right for it. And he said, of course. So we read the scene and I handed him a cold scene and then, so we read together for just 30 seconds. And instantly, as soon as he started to read or speak, I was, oh my God, this guy is so grounded. He's so real. He's so talented. Of course, because all he was doing was trusting his instincts. He was just reading. And his brain was reading it the way he hears it in his head, without any guidance, without anything. Now, of course, his work improved with direction, thank heavens, or I'd be out of a job. But it is a testament to when someone has the confidence to trust their instincts. It really is a gift. I'll talk about how to build your confidence in another one of these little videos. Do you find me attractive? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My mistake.